The bar graph shows the cumulative number of deaths from AIDS in the United States from 1990 through each of the years 1996 to 2002. The data in the graph can be modeled by the following polynomials in which f of x and g of x represents the cumulative number of AIDS deaths x years after 1990. The question states the data in the graph can be molded by the following polynomials in which f of x and g of x represents the cumulative number of AIDS deaths x years after 1990. So here we know that the years after 1990 will be the number we fill in for x in the equation. Part A in the question reads, use f of x to find the cumulative number of AIDS deaths in 2002. We know that 2002 is 12 years after 1990, so for x, we're going to plug in 12. So here we're going to plug in 12 for every x in the equation of f of x. And after we add all of that together, we're going to get the answer 479,654, and that's going to be the cumulative number of AIDS deaths in the year 2002. For the second part, it says use g of x to find the cumulative number of AIDS deaths in 2002. So we're going to plug in 12, since 2002 is 12 years from 1990, into every x in the g of x equation. And after we do that in the calculator, you're going to end up with 482,951 cumulative number of AIDS deaths in 2002. Next, it says which function is a better description of the actual number shown in the bar graph. If we look at the f of x equation, it was 479,654. And when we look at the g of x equation, it was 482,951. When we go back to the actual graph, the bar graph they gave us, you'll see that for 2002, the number was 483,920. So the g of x function is going to be a better description of the actual number because it's closer to the actual number depicted on the bar graph.